Bali ka man. Hindi tayo natanggap sa bench. Kain na lang. We just started our own free range. Well, that used to be my koi farm. It's now a small pond na lang, but there's still koi there. May mga koi here. Let's see if may mga koi here. Laugi daw, Jin. Palaugi daw. So now, nag-free range, as you can see, nag-netta. So it's a semi-free range. We're starting with a few. Ano siya? May eggs there sa sulod. May eggs na. Eggs inside. So, yeah. Cute siya. So, there's gonna be more here. More there. We're testing it out. Okay guys, now we have here our first potahe. Yes. Hey. Talib. Ito. What's this? What's this? What's this, Sir Jim?
Nice duck. Red snapper ba?
Panalo. Ano siya? Ito yung galing sa baby. Ganun siya kalit before. Ngayon, iba na. Baby before. Ngayon, baby na.
Kasama sa yung joke.
Green. Natanggap sa bench. Kain na lang. Wala na. Retire na lang.
Bench.
Cold water din siya guys. FYI.
Different angle. There, look it.
Look at mine, it's higher.
Sage is higher. Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
Derek ka, oy. This is Sage. Good job, Sage.
So, ano yan? Uy, ha?
Hiding eggs.
Ano?
Hiding eggs. Tago ko ito.
Yung mga bedroom. Shake that as me. Take care of me. Jigs. Eggs.
We'll call na the kids.
Ha?
We'll call the kids.
Okay.
We'll give the babies priority to get eggs. What is the triple baby?
Okay.
We'll give you count 1 to 10 and then the bigger kids can go get, okay?
Go, look. Here, Sage.
Terpa, oh. Napaaya, oh.
Again. Again. If you drown in the swimming pool, where do you go? What do you look for? And if you drown, you look for the life vest and or the kuan. Here, oh. Look up. Look up. One is level 5. Mr. Beast mode. Per egg, I will give 1,000 pieces. Si Man A, ang safety is our number 1 priority. Mga dasmag mo, mga umod mo, mga bungi mo, inyo ng problema. Okay? So, Timan di mo ipadaan mo sa ospital, di mo na mo tambalan. Ang itlog, naatay pila ka itlog? 1,059 pieces.
1,059?
159 na day. Zero. So, 159 kabuk itlog, gitaguan sa area sa Castle Shore. Ha? Kuto bradiri ha? Okay, di way labot na to sa kananan. Okay? Naara siya diri. Okay? Ready na ba mo? Di pa ko. Ready. Okay, karon ang mga itlog, ang per piece ana niya 20 pesos. Okay? Naami special na say okay na. Madali ka? Ha? Na ay itlog na special. Siyempre, naami itlog na special. Itlog ni Richie ang special. So karon inyo nang pangitaon ng special ug uban pa diha maghinay mo. Naara siya around diri nga area sa sud sa balay, wasad ngadto diri nga area. Ready? Countdown.
Ready.
5 4 3 2 go!
Nigo, you help Ate Rachel cow. Nigo,
You help Ate Rachel, Nico. Hot.
No? It's not hot anymore, man. You look, that is all. Okay, basin mas.
Loy,
It's man sad ang slicing of the lechon, sir. Asa man chicken, sir?
asa mo manok?
Find the chicken. Find the hidden chicken. Lalabas na.
Lalabas na.
Ooh.
Hindi ko lalabas ang baby. You can fit.
There.
Congratulations! It's a boy!
Baby girl.
What are you eating?
Pampano.
Pampano. Chicken na good.